this skyline right here. All right, y'all. So we got the car up on the trailer. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another SavageTitle episode. So today we got a super special video plan. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the parts car for the 2020 Audi A3. I'll show you guys right here. All right, y'all. Here she is. Man, she looking good. But anyways, if you guys haven't saw the first video, go ahead and watch that. I'll explain to you guys how I bought a parts car in Amarillo, Texas. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up a few pictures right now. But we're gonna go ahead and start driving to Texas. You guys can see that my front end is fully destroyed right here. And from that parts car, we're gonna go ahead and flip the whole entire front end onto this. Take a look inside. We got a couple airbags blown, one, and then the knee airbag right down here too. But luckily that parts car's got everything we need except a windshield. You guys can see that my windshield is completely cracked right here. So backstory on this Audi, I had this Audi since 2020, April, somewhere around there. And then I got into a car accident this February. I'll show you guys the damage. So yeah, it's pretty bad, but this car has been sitting like this for the past 8 months, and I'm super excited we're finally gonna get this thing up on the road, and then we'll see what happens from there. You know, if I sell it, if you guys want me to do some stuff to it, who knows, you know. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and try and just fix this thing, get this thing back up on the road. So cue montage of us driving to Texas. Peace.
Depot on the beat.
So we are about 1,100 miles in with about 500 miles left. We are creeping up on Springfield, Missouri. I'm gonna go ahead and ride this night out. We're still moving, so long ways left to go. Stopped at a gas station and we see this skyline right here. Look at this thing. What in the world? Alright, boys. We are in Texas. You guys see the hay bales back there. 30 more miles left. Let's get her going. Like and subscribe if you guys would like to see us rebuild one of these on the channel. That'd be sick. All right, guys, so we just got done with the paperwork. They're about to bring the forklift out here, load us up. Man, look at the setup right here. Which one y'all taking? 1, 2. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait out here till the forklift comes out. Finally, get this thing loaded up. All right, guys, we got the Audi right here. The guy kind of yelled at me. No recording, but it's kind of weird. He just dropped the car off right here, but because he's usually supposed to load us up, but he just set the car down here.
Press brake, I know press brake.
Let's see if we can get this thing started. So it started. That's good news. Look at this, guys. We in Texas. It's literally just a thin layer of ice on the car. But here's the damage, you guys. Smashed on this passenger side. The engine bay. Here she is, y'all. Not too bad. No damage on the hood. All right, y'all. They got the car up on the trailer. It's not looking too bad, to be honest. Here's the side view. Now this car's got a lot of good parts. A lot of good parts. I'm able to look. I got a whole rear end, driver's side, front end. Pretty much just this passenger side that's smashed. For the money that I got this for, great deal, to be honest. You guys, we're all strapped up. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheel, have my dad get some rest, and I'll go more in depth on the car once we get back home. But for now, 1,600-mile drive back to Rochester, New York. And excuse my red nose. Oh, that's so bad. I've been sick for the past 3 days. That's why in that Jeep video, the second part, I had to cut it a little bit early because, man, I was just sick. I had to go straight home right after that. I didn't feel like recording nothing, but still a little sick. I feel like by tomorrow it should be better, but dang, that's bad. I'm gonna have the camera out here. All right, you guys, cue montage of driving back home. Peace. Stop that, loves. Here's one more look on the car. Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's got a lot of good body parts. Yeah, it's not bad. We got this whole quarter. Look at these taillights, man. $400 a piece, right here.
Taillights, airbags, and headlights. It's a cost of
easily. Cadillac converter, don't forget Cadillac converter. That's $1,000 right there.
Right here, $1,000.
All right, y'all. Just stopped at a gas station, fueled up. So gonna be our last stop before we get home. Got the car right here. So we're officially 3 days in, but we're gonna go ahead and get home, unload this car, and then once we get this thing in the garage, we'll go a little bit more in depth with see what we're working with. There's just a bunch of minor damages overall, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside what we're dealing with, because there wasn't much we can do at the auction since we had to just pick this thing up and leave right away. But once we get home, we'll get this thing unloaded, check it out, and then yeah, we'll just go on from there. Overall, I mean, you guys, just look at this car. I got so many good body parts on this thing. We're gonna go ahead and get home. Got about 3 hours left, so I'll catch you guys once we're back. What you think, Mom?
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels? Look at this shiny
Wow.
princess.
It's expensive size, you know, this one.
I know.
New.
Here's the inside. We're gonna get this thing on the ground. Okay.
Se ktoś відкриває, закриває, или крило купив, да?
Look at the back right here. And go ahead, fire this thing up. Beautiful. All right, you guys, so we got the car fired up. Look at the airbag. We got a nice airbag. 1, 2, we got all the airbags we need. So now we're gonna go ahead and roll this car out. We're gonna keep it in the garage, right? Get that thing in the garage. Show them the damage, bro. You gotta see the damage. Well, yeah, you guys, you can see we got glass everywhere. So this car is definitely gonna need to get a good cleaning out of it. But it's not too bad in the back, but it's just so dusty. That Texas sand dunes, look at that. But hey, she runs nice. Only problem is this passenger wheel right here is unfunctionable. So it really is just 3 wheels are working. But look at these headlights. Exact headlights I need. Got the project car in here. Look at her. She needs a wash too. Well, there they are. 2 cars. Everything coming off of that one onto this one. This one right here is a 2020. That's 2019. But pretty much from 2017 to 2020, whole entire front end fits perfectly. Like the headlights, hood. Only thing is, this is the S line right here. So this is the all-wheel drive. And it's got the sport bumper with the honeycomb grills. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and pick that up. But other than that, yeah, this isn't looking too pretty. Huh?
Taillight. You're gonna sell a taillight.
From what?
For GMC Canyon.
Anyone looking for a GMC Canyon taillight?
Yeah, taillight.
We got everything over here. Jeep taillights.
Jeep taillight.
You gotta put that on Facebook. I can't do that on YouTube.
You need to sell this. Baby.
But dang, look at this. Looks so nice. Looking good. Yeah, see, and there's a grill. No, the grill's honestly the same, but these honeycomb air vents don't fit in my car, so we're gonna need a new bumper. Okay, what are we working with? Yeah, it's good.
Nie tam nie дуже добре видно, бо там пластик.
I think it should be literally the same. All right, guys, so we got both the Audis over here in the garage. I'm so excited we can finally hop back on this Audi, get this thing up on the road. You know, because it's been a minute, you know. This thing's got 7,000 miles on it, you know what I'm saying? 7,000 miles, and it's just sitting here. So this thing's definitely worth a pretty penny, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what plans I'm going to have for this car in the future. My plan is possibly sell it and maybe get like an S3 build going on this channel. I think that would be sick, you know what I'm saying? To have a little upgrade, because like I say, you guys, I got a lot of good body parts off this one car. You know, I can fix my one Audi with this front end, and I still got this whole entire driver's side, rear end, and the passenger quarter panel. So we'll see what happens, you know what I'm saying? If I can land maybe like a sick S3, maybe even an RS3, who knows? But hey, you know, you guys are just gonna have to subscribe and stay tuned for that. But it's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. But hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for this awesome rebuild. See you guys in the next one. Peace.